Hi guys, it's Rolling with the Rossers, and we are home. And it's bedtime, and we are going to do a story. So it's Grandma's Cat Surprise.
Yes.
And it's kind of an oldie, but a goodie.
I haven't read it, and I have my special thing.
All right, let's listen and read. Grandma Cat just received a letter. My, she's very excited. What does the letter say? Look, there's Grandma with the postman.
Postman. The postman has a job.
Dear Grandma Cat, we need you today. So pack up your bag and come right away. I wonder where Grandma's going to go. Where do you think Grandma's going to go, Martha?
With the triplets.
To her triplets?
Yeah.
Rosie, where do you think she's going to go?
To the pet shop to buy some cats.
To the pet shop? I think Grandma's going to go on a vacation.
No, it's cat.
Well, she's got to pack a bag. Let's see. Let's see where she goes.
What does it say?
All right, it says, come on a tractor, come on a plane. Come in a camper, come on a train. You could even ride in a big moving van. Just come, Grandma Cat, as fast as you can. And it shows you all the different
things that you can go.
There's the tractor and the camper and the big van.
And there's the truck.
And the train and the truck. Yep. All right. You can come on a ferry, come in a boat, come on a raft, or whatever will float. Come in a rowboat, come by a canoe. Just come, Grandma Cat, whatever you do. And there's all the different things that float. Canoe. Yep, and a boat.
Canoe. First, let me put on my poop emoji.
Come in a mail truck, come in a Jeep. Come in a sweeper truck and ride while you sweep. Come in a sports car, come by sedan. Just come, Grandma Cat, as fast as you can.
Where is Grandma Cat?
Ooh, where is Grandma Cat? Let's see.
She's in the city.
Look, there's Grandma Cat, maybe?
Let me see. The city.
Yep, she's in the Jeep. Grandma Cat's in the Jeep. Come in a wagon, come on a bike. Come on your 2 feet, if that's what you like. Come in a taxi, come on a bus. Just don't forget that you're coming to us. Ooh, who's us? Who do you think's us?
I know.
You know. Rosie, do you know who's us? Is she coming to our house?
No.
No, whose house is she coming to?
She's going to our triplets.
Her triplets' house. Ooh, let's see.
The kitty's house.
Can you find Grandma Cat?
Yeah, I know.
All right, where's Grandma Cat?
She's inside the bus and her leg is flying out.
Oh no, Grandma Cat!
Let me see.
Her luggage is going everywhere. I think by the time she gets to wherever she's going, she's not going to have any left.
Where's Grandma Cat? Here.
Oh, let's read the story first. Come on some stilts. Stilts?
No, stilts.
Or come on a sleigh. Come on a skateboard and roll all the way. Skateboard?
Come in a pickup truck?
Come in a fire truck. Come in a van. Just come, Grandma Cat, as fast as you can.
Oh, I know where Grandma Cat is.
Ooh,
Me
okay.
too.
Let's let them see. All right, do you see Grandma Cat?
Yes.
All right, Rosie, where's Grandma Cat at?
Not there.
Oh, she's in the pretzel truck. Pretzels sound good right now. I want a
I think
pretzel.
that gives me hunger.
Me too.
I can be hungry.
All right, come in an apple. An apple?
Come in a shoe.
Come by a balloon. Come in a pumpkin. Pumpkin?
A pumpkin?
Just get there soon.
Come in a shoe?
Come in a pickle. Come in a shoe. Just come, Grandma Cat. Whatever you do. Apple, pumpkin, pickle, shoe. Those aren't vehicles. But they are in this book.
And there's a pea. I know where she is.
All right.
I know where she
All right.
is.
Can you all find Grandma Cat?
No, we both find her.
All right, Martha, you do this one. Where's Grandma Cat?
She is inside the apple.
You just knocked the book over.
She's
In
inside
the apple. All right. Let's see what our next page is. Come see our surprise. It's as simple as that. With a hug and a kiss. Huckle Cat. Ooh. Who did they go and see, Rosabelle?
chickling.
Rosabelle.
The baby cat.
Do you think those are her grandkids?
Yeah. So I was taking right.
You were right. Guess what? The end. Did you like the story?
Yes.
Did you like the story, Rosabelle? Did you like the story?
Yes, did you like the story? If you did, comment down below.
And give us a
Big
thumbs up.
And in case you forgot who we are, we're
Rolling with the Rossers. Good night, guys.